Kruse with Eliason Realty. Tim and I just listed this new listing on Balsam Lane, and I can't wait to show you the inside. The home was built just a few years ago in 2017, so everything's new. Gorgeous great room, lots of light. All the windows in the home are Anderson windows. You got a beautiful kitchen with hickory cabinets. All the appliances are included. Got an awesome pantry here. Custom shelving. Let's go into the sunroom. Sunroom is nicely located right off the kitchen and dinette area and also off of your master bedroom. So you've got a beautiful view of the river and your deck and front yard area. The master bedroom is very spacious, and it's got a nice vaulted ceiling, lots of windows, so you got a lot of light in here. And it's got a beautiful ensuite bathroom with a double sink vanity, as you can see, and again, hickory cabinets. And there's a beautiful walk-in shower with corian surround, and it's huge. It's like 4'8" by 4 feet wide. I'll fit 2 of you in there if you want it. Also, all custom shelving in there. Also, they've made great use of all their extra space. Got a little closet here for your extra toiletries or linens. And we're back here to the main hallway. This is the guest bathroom. And we've got a guest bedroom here, which could double as an office. They've got a little built-in office area, and there's a very generous walk-in closet. And again, all the custom closet shelving in there. Keep you all organized. All paneled. The finishing work in this home is beautiful. Also, very, very nice floor plan. This is the main entry area where we came in originally, and then this is kind of your back door mudroom area that leads out to the garage. And here you've got main level laundry. And look at this handy little contraption they made. Keep everything organized. And over here to your left, you've got hooks and shelves and a little boot seat here to get your shoes and boots on. Let's go take a peek downstairs. This home has a full basement. They finished it off just for one extra bedroom down here. It's beautifully done. And this room is about 15 by 16, so you've got lots of space for your guests. And the rest of the basement is unfinished, so you can do with it what you like. It's got a nice layout to it. This could all be utility and storage area back here. This shelving is built in, and that will stay. As you can see, you've got a gas water heater, gas forced air furnace. And all poured concrete walls here too. And then this space here you could finish off for a nice rec room or additional family room gathering space. Let's upstairs, I want to show you a quick shot of the deck area. This deck is a new addition for them. They just put it on, and it's so lovely. You've got such a private setting here. You can't see your neighbors on your left or your right when all the leaves fill out, and just a beautiful view of the Wisconsin River here, which of course leads right into the Eagle River chain of lakes. So you've got full access to 28 lakes here. Kind of best of both worlds. If you enjoy quiet setting, kayaking, canoeing, fishing, this is a great spot.